Greetings, sovereign traders. Have a good morning. And today, for of June 2026, I'm recording this video for you. And I would like to start with Bitcoin analysis and support levels and resistance. And I like to show you. I have made these draws many time ago, and price breakout this trend level, this trend line, sorry, as I expected. I have drawn something like this in past, I've seen like this, go here, and go there. Okay, we cannot forget two things. This is a support level 2, okay? But in my opinion, as I have drawn before, this stochastic, more or less, is impossible draw it very accurate, but it's the idea of the stochastic. Okay, what I think when I make this low, and if this low not protect one upper eye, okay, we have this low, not protect a higher high, okay. What happens? Kaboom. Now, because this low not protect one higher eye, should be here, should break the 19k, not break. This low becomes a target low. It's basics, okay? And this low as a target low, if the price breaks, what happens? We need to look to a lower low. And the lower lows are on this zone. Here and here, okay? Is low and is low. And next zone is here. Okay, but we need other facts, very important. And now I will clear all these draws, and I'd like you to show you what happens here and here. Sorry. This is a double top. Okay. And here we have a double top. It's very clear double top here and here. This is a double top. What happens in the double top? Happens this. Guys, this is one very simple thing. Many people, I believe, not teach you this. When you got the double top, the target of the double top, okay, is 100% low or 100% high if it's a double bottom. And for that, you can use a pivot retracement here from the top to here. Sorry, it's not the pivot retracement, the pivot expansion. From the top to the bottom, okay, and look what happens. 100% target, kaboom. And as we not make an higher high here, not break, price goes to first 168, second to 200%. And now is coming to Fibonacci is incredible, 2.618. Okay, and confluence. Look at this confluence. What you have here? Okay, look all this zone. Okay, but in accumulation, in the distribution, when the price drops, the volume should rise. Okay, and you have institutionals here. Look at the volume. It's institutional volume, and now the volume is not rising, and stochastic is very low. If you look on history, maybe it's the lowest point of the stochastic, very close to 5 4. Okay, look, Bitcoin history, stochastic is very low. I want to look now at 1 week chart. Clear this. And look at 1 week chart. Okay, but here I not like this. Okay, why I not like the 1 week chart? The stochastic is crossing down and volume is rising. Okay, and this is not good for longs. I not want to risk one long here. And I need pay attention to one thing. Is not this tool. Okay. Oh yeah, broke. Okay, this is the top. And we break this trend line. We retested already. And we have 1 week double top, 2 here and here. And not surprisingly, real we can retest this zone. But first you have this zone, and this zone, all this zone, all these have lots of fight here. Okay, all these have lots of fight here. So, in my opinion, and we, my opinion, it's important try one long on this zone. It can be a good try, okay? Um, I have put on 57, but on 55 is a good zone too. I don't know if the price goes to 55 or we're going to make it, but today, the day, it's the candle close at 62, 62 and a half. We are very close to go to the 55, 56. Okay, so pay attention to these levels. I have more confluence here. Okay, because is the 2021 all-time high on 2021. We have a fake out in November. I remember this like today. I saw this happens in my face. I remember this fake out. And we have bear market. And not surprise me, really, if just I just want to make one thing because it's important to compare. Okay, from last, okay, you have 70%, 78% price drop from the last top in 2001 bear market. Now, you already make 55%. Me, okay, I want to be precisely. Yeah, 52, 55. Where you go with 70%. Okay, go to this level. This level is 42K. 42K. And for me, it's very important as 30K. And 30K is very important. It's $330K $100. So, in my opinion, you look first year, second year. But if the price goes here, buy it. And buy it at will. Really. Okay? Is something to look for the future. Uh, it's not easy price goes here because institutionals and but it's not impossible. Okay, nothing is impossible on Bitcoin. Um, so, but it is a big um, change in structure, in market structure, and it's a dangerous, very dangerous change, because if you break this line, I I can look as one head here, one shoulder, head and shoulder. Um, okay, just trying to see where are these draws. Okay. Okay. I think you understand. It's not, but it's something like this. Sometimes draws on the chart are not so perfectly as you read on the books. Okay, this is important. This is very important. Is very. I learned this with some years trading and experience. Many times people look at the perfect draw, and not happens. Okay. Thank you. The next video, this video is too long. The next video I make for other coins. And thank you for watching.